Before we begin, just notice this. Your breath has been with you through everything. Every moment, every stress, every transition, every version of you. And yet, most of us were never taught how to use it. Hey everybody, I'm Marybeth Hrim. Welcome to today's meditation. I'm a licensed clinical social worker, I'm a coach, I'm a runner, and I am your meditation guide, where we explore the connection between mind, body, spirit, and stride. And before we begin, if this space supports you, I please invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of these meditations or conversations. Now, let's go ahead and begin. Settle in. Find a comfortable position. And allow your body to just be and feel supported. Letting the surface beneath you hold your weight. And gently close your eyes if that feels safe. If that doesn't, then just soften your gaze. And just notice you're already breathing. Nothing to fix, nothing to force. Bring your attention to your breath. Just observing the inhale and the exhale. Where do you feel it most? Your chest, your belly, your nose. There's no right place. Just noticing. Now, without strain, begin to slightly deepen your inhale and gently lengthen your exhale. Not dramatically, just enough to notice. Inhale, slow and steady. And exhale, longer, softer. Let the exhale be your anchor. Now, we'll begin a gentle rhythm together. Inhale for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale for a count of 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let this rhythm become natural, like a wave, rising and falling. Now imagine your breath like the ocean. Each inhale, a wave gently rolling in. Each exhale, the wave slowly receding back. Nothing forced, nothing rushed, just a steady rhythm. And with each exhale, imagine the body softening, like the tide pulling tension away. Now begin to imagine that your breath is moving through your body, not just in your lungs, but flowing to where it's needed. Breathing into your shoulders. And as you exhale, they soften. Breathing into your chest, creating space. Breathing into your belly, allowing it to rise and gently fall. Let the breath do the work. And if your mind wanders, if thoughts come in, just notice and return to the breath. Again and again. This is the practice. You are not doing it wrong. You are returning. Now bring one hand to your heart and one on your belly, and feel the movement of your breath beneath your hand. This is your body responding. This is your nervous system beginning to settle. With each breath, you send a message. I am safe enough right now. Now gently repeat in your mind as you breathe. Inhale, I am here. Exhale, I am safe. Again, inhale, I am here. Exhale, I am safe. Let this become your rhythm. Now allow the breath to return to its natural pace. No control, no effort, just noticing and feel, even if it's subtle, a shift. Slowly begin to bring awareness back to your body, your breath, your surroundings. gently wiggling your fingers, your toes. And before you open your eyes, just notice what feels different. Even 1% more calm, more present. That's how this builds. Slowly and safely open your eyes. Carry this with you today. My breath brings me back to myself. And if this meditation supported you, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with someone who may need it. Until next time, I'm Marybeth Hrim.